Kasi I believe na hindi mo kailangan hubaran yung sarili mo to show who you really are. Dapat na may reservation ka din sa mga information about your family.
This is for Big Four. So I hope may mics na po yung housemates natin para ready din silang sumagot. So this is for Big Four once again. Alright, so he asks, after your stint on PBB, where you gained instant popularity by exposing who you are to the outside world, how important naman daw is privacy at this point in your life? And syempre, protecting your privacy. How would you want to do that? So, who wants to start? Siguro si Charlie dahil tinitingnan niya ako ng very intensely. Okay, Charlie, take it away.
Ay, kung pala dapat ako titingin, no?
Yes.
Well, regarding my privacy naman po, I think it really just is with my family naman. As long as I keep my things private with my family, my friends, and whatever I'm feeling at the moment, I'm okay with it na. As long as I have that circle of friends that I can trust, as long as I have a circle of friends that I can lean on and I can come to and talk to when the time is needed, then I'm okay with my privacy.
Alright, as long as you have that strong
We came to
core.
PBB really just showing everyone who we are and what our stories is. So sa tingin ko naman, napakita ko naman yung lahat. So I'm okay with it.
Alright, thank you Charlie. So yeah, so Charlie stays true to her core. How about you, Will?
Ako naman po, same kay Charlie. Siyempre, pumasok kami sa loob ng bahay para ipakita, of course, kung sino talaga kami as a person na hindi nakikita ng mga tao sa labas nung kami nag-work lang siyempre for teleserye, for film, kasi ibang character yung pinoportray namin din. Pero kung pag-uusapan naman natin yung privacy, of course, privacy is really, really important for us kasi yun yung isang bagay na nakakakuha kami ng rest. And nakakatuwa naman na kahit biniyayaan kami ng Panginoon itong ganitong popularity, thank God. Nakakatuwa naman kasi yung mga fans talaga is very respectful. Na parang lahat talaga kami ako personally wala naman akong na-experience na gano'n na parang ini-invade na yung privacy ko. Nakakatuwa na yung pag-support na binibigay at pagmamahal na binibigay nila is merong boundaries. Kaya happy lang talaga ako sa mga nangyayari.
That's good to know. Na parang at ease ka naman sa fans mo, sa supporters mo. Thank you, Will. So siguro, si AZ. What about you?
Yeah, for me, actually same with Charlie and Will. Like inside the house, I expose so much about myself and yung family ko. And right now, same kami kay Will na wala akong naramdaman or na-experience na na-invade yung privacy ko. Sobrang at ease talaga ako with my fans. Sobrang respectful, sobrang supportive nila with everything that I do. Kaya sobrang happy ako na sila pa ngayong mismo. Nakikita ko na lang online na let's give her privacy, guys. Pero sobrang grateful ako for their support and that na sinasabi nila yan. Kaya I'm happy po. I'm happy.
That's beautiful. They're all happy. Okay, sige. Lastly, of course, our big winner, Mika.
Ako naman po, actually even inside the house, meron naman po din kaming privacy na nire-reserve talaga sa sarili namin. Kasi I believe na hindi mo kailangan hubaran yung sarili mo to show who you really are. Dapat na may reservation ka din sa mga information about your family, your personal life. So I guess sa loob ng bahay na-start na din naman po namin siyang gawin. And even, especially here outside. Kasi ito na po yung totoong buhay. So mas kailangan namin protektahan kung ano yung mga dapat namin protektahan sa loob.
Tama. But I believe the house for you guys, bilang artista na kayo prior to coming in, was a good, I guess, training ground for you guys and for everyone in what to share, diba? Okay, so that is again from Sir Ricky Gallardo. Now, let's move on. I'll be the one reading this question, pero this is in behalf of Miss G. Trilliana of Malaya, okay? This is for ex-housemates. So, siguro, anyone of the housemates na lang, let's have, sino kaya? All of them ba? All of them. Okay, all of you pala. Sige. So, ang tanong naman ni Miss G is gaano kalaki yung impact ng PBB sa career nyo at ano na yung mga nabago sa buhay nyo because of the whole journey inside Kuya's house? Sino kayo sisimulan natin? But ayaw na lang tumingin sa akin pagka nagsasabi ako ng scene. Sige, Ashley.
Hello, Miss G. Hello po. Actually, sobrang laki po ng impact and I think we're all aware of it bilang sobrang successful ng season ng PBB na to and we're grateful to be part of it. It actually changed my life as an actress also. one of the reason why I joined PBB is mas makilala ko ng mga tao as Ashley Ortega. Kasi bilang matagal na rin po ako sa industriya, lagi lang po nila ako nakikita sa mga teleserye and the roles that I portray. But inside the PBB house, mas nakilala nila ako as Ashley, as how I am as a person. And it changed my life, even though I was the first evictee. So unexpectedly, sobrang daming blessings pong dumating sa buhay ko, and I will always be grateful for that. Especially yung mga supporters ko, and yung natanggap ko when I got evicted, I thought being the first evictee was like a huge embarrassment. Pero nung paglabas ko sa outside world, it was the other way around. As in, I was loved and supported by a lot of people. And if it weren't for them, feeling ko, it wasn't easy for me to recover right away. But because of their warm welcome and their support, sobrang nagbago yung life ko. And even sa work ko ngayon, I'm so grateful sa mga brands who trusted me right now, sa mga endorsements na nakuha ko. I'm so grateful for them. Kaya lalo na yung Luxlim, kasi Luxlim was a huge brand inside Kuya's house. As in, meron talaga silang pwesto sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. And unexpectedly, when I got evicted, they reached out on me right away. And now, I'm part of the Luxlim family. And I'm so grateful for that. And other than that, marami rin mga lumapit. And may mga projects na rin actually. May teleserye, may movie, may MMFF movie akong gagawin. So, I'm just really grateful. And lahat po ng, hindi ko in-expect lahat na nangyari. Actually, lahat kami. Like, PBB changed our life. And we will always be grateful sa lahat ng mga taong nagmahal at nagsuporta sa akin.
Thank you so much, Ashley. Beautifully said. So let's hear it naman siguro from you, Michael.
Good morning, Ms. G. That question really fascinates me because I was talking to my fellow housemates. Sabi ko nga, bago tayo pumasok sa bahay ni Kuya, ibang-iba yung buhay namin. Until compared to when we all went out, whether they were Big Four, we were evictees, talagang ang laki ng pagbago. And it's something that we truly cherish and we're grateful for kasi it was impactful. I mean, this PBB stint for us was not just a way to introduce ourselves to the world, but it was for us to know ourselves better. For me personally, bukod sa tulong sa career, tulong din sa totoong sa sarili kong buhay. I mean, it taught me many life lessons, how to be a better person, a better housemate, and to be a better actor, especially in this industry na marami tayong kailangan alagaan, yung mga taong sumusuporta sa atin, yung mga bosses, yung network, of course. And I think through this, you're right, it's a training ground that really impacted my life to navigate in this industry in a different way na. And I'm very thankful, of course, to Sparkle, to Miss Annette, Miss Joy Bosvig for giving me the opportunity to enter this house. It was truly unexpected for me. It was a full circle moment kasi nga, the reason why I started Showbiz was all because of PBB. And the impossible became possible, the two networks collaborating to create history. And I'm being part of that. I'm so thankful for it. And of course, ABS for allowing us, mga kapuso, to enter their ground, to enter that house, that very special house. It was meaningful. And yung pagbabago talaga after nakikita ko yung name ko, nagte-trend. Sabi ko, shucks, for the first time in my life, may Michael Sager sa X. Sabi ko, wow! So kinilig lang ako doon ng site. And of course, yung mga fans are very supportive. May mga signs sila, may mga sintra, tawag doon. And nagugulat na ako sa TikTok rin, ang dami ko nakakita mga edits. So, it's so sweet lang, and I feel like that's what I'm so thankful for, just seeing how people accepted, not just me, but all of us, in a way that they really enjoyed the season, they really supported us through thick and thin, and I'm so grateful for that. Kaya, to PBB, to GMA, and to ABS, maraming salamat.
Wow, that was so beautiful. Just their presence here is groundbreaking in itself. Kasi nga, collab. Okay, but let's hear it naman from Dustin.
Hi, Ms. G. Good morning. And for me naman, I would say, before entering BBB, sabi ko nila, lagi ko sinasabi na bahala na. So, paglabas ko, sobrang unexpected na lahat. Kasi I wasn't expecting anything talaga from me, from what's gonna happen after, BBB. But then, ngayon, napakaswerte ko kasi ang dami nagmamahal sa aming lahat. And for sure, hindi namin yan in-expect lahat. And masasabi ko lang ang laki na natulong niya sa life ko talaga. Lalo na sa business ko, sa restaurant, sa Raya. Kain kayo dun, ha?
Yes! Tama yan! It's gonna change your life and your restaurant's life.
Of course, sa career ko rin. Grabe, yung drive ko sa pag-arte, biglang umapoy, sobrang Iba eh. Kasi before, honestly, naghihintay lang ako for the right time. So, I believe now na ito na yung right time to do the work and to make efforts and ayun, hopefully, mas madaming opportunities na dumating and for sure, i-grab natin na
Lahat. Yes, thank you so much, Justin. Dumating na ang right time. Let's hear it again from AZ. Sige, dire-diretso na lang tayo pag ano. Ex-housemate, sorry. Okay. Josh naman.
Ayan, hello po. Good morning. Deep. Grabe. Dahil okay. Ako, grabe. Super grateful ako sa PBB. As in, there's no words I parang hindi ko kaya explain paano ka-thankful to PBB. Kasi inuwi ko talaga dito yung pangarap ko. I was in the UK for 7 years. Umuwi ako ng 2020 to come here. And that's my career. And
You can switch your mic, yes. Para marinig naman namin yung medyo British accent mo ba na natitira. Yes, okay.
Ito, maganda mic ito. Alam po, ayan, siguro sa akin, sobrang thankful ako, grateful for PBB. Kasi ngayon nakikilala na ako. Ngayon nakikita na ako. Kaya I'm really thankful. Kasi ang tagal ko na rin po sa industriya ito and dami ko na rin nagawa. Pero sa lahat ng ginagawa ko, hindi pa rin ako nakikilala. Kaya because of BBB, now people see me. Now people appreciate me for me, which is really nice. And kasi nasa labas ako, nagugulat ako whenever in the mall or in the road. Everyone's gonna be like, uy, si Josh for PBB. Kaya natutuwa ako na nakikilala nila ako sa pangalan ko, hindi lang sa pangalan ng character ko. And of course, I'm so thankful for GMA, for accepting me back. Kasi 2016 I signed, and then umalis ako bigla all of a sudden, and now I came back and they still wanted me. Kaya maraming salamat po for letting me be here. Kasi gusto ko talaga ipakita yung sarili ko sa mundong ito. And be an inspiration to others na kahit anong mangyari sa buhay mo, everything happens for a reason at nandito tayo lahat for a purpose. So, yeah. Thank you, GMA. Thank you, guys, for being here.
Yeah, thank you so much, Josh. And grabe, nag-grow din talaga yung confidence mo. I always tell you that, but just seeing you before and now, iba talaga yung nagagawa sa inyo ng bahay ni Kuya. So, with you naman, Vince, how is it?
Grabe ako, nagbago din talaga yung buhay ko. Actually, galing nga ng Korea eh.
Wow!
Share sa akin, sabi ko, wow, grabe. Iba na pala talaga to.
Tama, grabe. Doon mo na-realize.
Pero, ako ko sobrang grateful lang talaga sa journey ko, sa bahay ni Kuya. It challenged me, it pushed me out of my comfort zone. Mas nakilala ko yung sarili ko, mas nakilala ko yung mga housemates. Para sa akin, madaming opportunities talaga na dumadating sa buhay namin ngayon. At siguro ito din yung opportunity na gumawa ka din ng sarili mong opportunity para sa sarili mo. Isa yun sa mga na-realize ko paglabas ko ng bahay ni Kuya. At wala ako, moment by moment lang talaga ako. Kung ano yung dumating, ginagrab ko lang din talaga yung mga opportunities. And thankful lang talaga ako sa lahat ng nangyayari sa akin. Kaya sobrang thankful ako sa GMA, sa Sparkle, kila Miss Joy at kila Miss Andy.
But that's also good, kasi sobrang parang ninanamnam nyo lang. Kasi medyo fresh pa rin talaga eh, di ba? So thank you so much, Vince. Ang fun naman ng kwento mo tungkol sa Korea. So ito, Shuvi? Yes? Kung pwede kong makausap, ikaw naman, ano mga nagbago sa life mo? Kahit medyo alam na namin yung mga ibang ganap.
Yes! Hello everybody! Ano nga po yung question?
Yung mga, yes, nagbago sa life nyo.
Sobra. Guys, kung alam nyo lang guys, kung alam nyo lang talaga, I may not have bagged the big winner title, I truly feel like a winner. Grabe talaga yung win. Grabe talaga, hindi ko po alam na kami ni Ate Klang ay mamahalin sa outside world. The moment I went out, opened the doors of PBB, hindi ko po alam na mayroon na akong guys yung sa, headband, yung mukha ko, tapos yung mga pangit ko na mukha na mga ganun-ganun. At ito yung mga tarpaulin. Siyempre, hindi mo yun aasahan. Akala ko 10 years after ko pa yung makikita. Pero napabilis dahil sa BBB. Kaya naman sobrang thankful. Of course, nagkaroon ako ng core, pangkat Shuvi, lahat po ng sumusuporta sa akin. Dahil po sa inyo, maraming salamat dahil nandito po ako because of you guys. And sobrang dami pong brands na, sabihin?
Too many to mention. Yes.
Sumusuporta. Nag-viral pala yung TDH. Alam mo yung sa loob po kasi hindi nyo po aasahan na hindi nyo po alam kung ano po yung nangyayari sa labas. So, hindi namin alam kung mahal ba kami ng tao, kung hala, grabe na pala ang basya amin. So, hindi ko alam, viral na pala yung TDH. Ang dami pong nangyari and until now, hindi ko po natatapos panoorin lahat ng videos na edits po nila. I'm just really grateful na Sparkle, Miss Joy, that opened the doors for me and now, kilala na ako ng tao, hindi lang as si Shuvi na nag-host, si Shuvi etrata talaga na island ate ng Cebu na go-getter, palaging nandiyan sa pamilya. Nakilala po ako and I stayed true to myself and that's because of my housemates po. Tinulungan po nila ako mag-acclimate po sa loob ng bahay. Kaya naman, tapusin na natin ito kasi ang dami kong sinasabi ba. And that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And second question pa lang, jump back na. Yung kwentuhan dahil kay Shuvi. De, joke lang. Marami pa to, don't worry. Thank you so much, housemates. So, tuloy naman natin this time. The questions will be coming from our friends from the press. So, let's call on Miss Kate at the heart of Random Republica.
Sorry, excuse my voice. Since nasagot ni Shuvi yung tanong ko, my question is for Will and Mika. Napag-usapan yung boost sa popularity nyo. Can you describe yung feeling na noon kilala naman kayo, pero ngayon dumog levels kasi marami nag-iintay sa studio na fan?
Wow. Ang masasabi ko lang po talaga is, wow, thank you Lord. Kasi I've been praying for this simula po nag-start talaga ako sa showbiz. And napakalaking blessing po talaga na ganitong suporta at pagmamahal yung natatanggap ko galing sa mga tao sa outside world. Nakakatuwa po, sobrang overwhelming, talagang nakakabigla, nakakalula. But at the same time, unti-unti ko naman na po nag-process kasi slowly pinapaintindi naman din po ng mga tao sa akin kung paano nila ako minahal, kung ano yung mga minahal nila sa akin. And nakakatuwa po na makita or maipakita yung tunay na ako sa mga tao kasi for years sobrang takot po talaga ako ipakita yung sarili ko. For years sobrang talagang merong nag-hold back sa akin para ipakita yung confidence ko. Sobrang introvert po talaga. Kaya nakakatuwa na makita na natanggap ako ng tao sa totoong ako, sa totoong person na.
Mika, hindi po sa question. Actually, ang ganda po ng tanong niyo. Kasi, opo, may mga nakakakilala po sa akin before ako pumasok ng bahay ni Kuya. Pero tulad po nung sinabi ko kanina, sa ibang paraan po kasi siya. Yun nga po, controversial po ako. And sobrang misunderstood din po. And sobrang laking bagay po ng PBB sa akin para mapakita ko po talaga kung sino po ako sa taong bayan. And sobrang tuwa ko po kasi pagkalabas, ay na-expect ko po kasi talaga is ganun pa rin. Kung ano yung pagkakakilala nila sa akin. Especially kung nakuha ko yung red flag. Then, nagulat po ako pagkalabas ko na iba na po yung perspective ng tao sa akin. Kaya sobrang grateful ko po. Hindi lang po sa PBB, syempre, kana Miss Annette, kana Miss Joy, kana Miss Boss Vic. Sa Sparkle po na unang nagtiwala talaga din po sa akin. Kasi kung di din po dahil sa kanya, hindi din po ako makakapasok sa PBB. And yun po, pangarap ko din po kasi talaga yung PBB ever since. Kaya maganda po siyang platform para mapakilala po yung sarili namin. Hindi lang po ako, kami po lahat ng housemates. And tulad po nung sinabi ni Shuvi, lumabas po kami na napakarami po sumusuporta nagmamahal sa amin.
Speaking of marami nagmamahal, viral yung singing videos na sa Little Girl. Makwento ano yung story behind those and ano na yung update sa album mo?
Ay, thank you po. Actually, yung mga videos po na yon 10 years old pa lang po ata ako nun or mas bata pa. Kasi kung hindi niyo po alam, yung mom ko po kasi is OFW. Huwag na po yun iyan, please take at to. Gusto ko magsira ko rin po dito. Anyway, OFW po. So, mom ko po makapunta sa lahat ng events po namin sa school. Wala po siya every time. So yung mga pinaperform ko po sa school, binibidyo po ng ate ko or ng mga pinsan ko po para po ipadala sa kanya. Kasi po, through that, mapapanood niya po yung performance ko na siya lang po or solo niya, malapit. Kaya po, para po talaga sa nanay ko po lahat ng videos na yan. Meron ba po rin umaarte ako, pero huwag niyo na po hanapin, just gumakas. Yung album naman po, niluluto na po. And sobrang excited ko po. Nandun po ang sino nga ba siya? Ay, pwede na po sabihin. Well, ayun, opo. Sabi ko na wala nang gawin. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Miss Kate. Alright, wait lang. Marami pa tayong kwentuhan. Tuloy natin with Sir Romel Gonzalez of PEP. Ay, yung mic po natin. Ayan. Thank you so much. Again, this is for Sir Romel.
Yes, hello. My question is para sa mga ex-housemates. Ano ang moment sa PBB journey niyo ang hindi niyo makakalimutan at ano yung gusto niyo makalimutan?
Oh. This question po is for
The ex-housemates.
For last. Okay.
Ako para sa akin, yung pinaka-memorable na siguro yung stories nila. Kasi isa yun sa mga bagay na na-inspire ako. Sa mga stories nila, alam mo yung bigyan nila ako ng tiwala na mag-share sila sa akin. At siguro dahil sa mga stories nila, mas napupush ako to do better. At siguro mas naiintindihan ko din talaga sila kung sino sila. Parang mas lumalalim dun yung yung friendship namin. Hindi lang siguro friendship, yung family namin. At sa gusto kong kalimutan, parang wala namang gusto kong kalimutan. Kasi lahat ng bagay na nangyari sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, meant to be talaga. At para sa akin, hindi na pwedeng palitan yun eh. Like, kailangan nilang mag-move on at gawin kung ano yung mga dapat gawin sa mga darating na opportunities. Yun.
Thank you, Ben. Sige, Josh, ikaw naman.
For me, siguro din, daming nangyari sa loob na hindi ko talaga makakalimutan. Sobrang memorable. Everything, all of it. But siguro one particular thing talaga na naalala ko when I was team leader, task leader with Cyril pati si Donnie. Hindi ko makalimutan yun kasi that was the first time na twice in a row kami nanalo. And it was just such a good feeling na nanalo kami two weeks in a row. So may budget kami, weekly budget, for 2 weeks straight. So we had food, so it was good, you know. It was a good time. Pagkain kami sa bahay at hindi kami nagutom. Kaya na-enjoy ko. And I was so happy kasi it was a fun task. Nag-isip pa kami na sobrang aga para mag-shoot para kay Donnie. I still remember that. That was such a first letter. Kaya sobrang memorable ang talaga sa akin nun. And sino makakalimutan?
Gusto mong makalimutan?
Sabi ko sino? Gusto akong makalimutan? Hindi. Mali. Gusto kong makalimutan.
Anong moment sa journey mo sa PBB ang kung pwede, ayaw mo nalang maalala o gusto mo makalimutan?
Siguro yung pag-alis ko po sa bahay ni Kuya. Gusto kong makalimutan yun kasi hanggang ngayon, hindi ko po kayang panoorin, naiyak po ako. And that's really hard for me. And I think that's one of the biggest things. And that's why I didn't rewatch anything. Kasi they didn't want to break what we have. Yeah. Siguro yun, pati yung Soka situation.
Ako gusto kong alahanin ko talaga.
Hindi, buddies na kami. Okay lang. So yeah, that's that.
Thank you, Josh. Okay, sige. Ngayon, let's ask Michael naman.
Yeah, that's a really good question po. Something I want to remember and forget. Simulan ko lang sa gusto ko makalimutan. I think all the housemates would agree that we would forget about the nominations. Kasi yung nominations is something that we have to, find a way na medyo negative about one another. And siguro yung mga araw na nag-nominate kami, yung pinakamabigat sa bahay ni Kuya. Ramdam namin yung bigat. It's not, it's a different type of sadness. Kasi doon namin nalalaman na konti-konti malalagay sa itong pamilya na to. And we don't want that to happen. I mean, as much as we could, we really try to find ways to maintain what we had, di ba? So, yung memories na yun, siguro automatic, I don't want to remember that na kung ano man yung mga rason nila, forget about it kasi what's important is the family that we built. Something I would always remember, and I always say this sa mga interviews ko, was the moment I was a task leader with River. May ginawa po kasi kaming task, Tower of Love. And sa task po kasi na yun, yung kapuso magkasama po kami at yung mga kapamilya magkasama. And doon ko naramdaman yung power of collaboration. Kasi ito yung moment na as a kapuso we united to focus on our side, the kapamilya did their thing. But once when we were together in the middle to complete our task, we were all working cohesively. Iba yung parang walang differences, kumbaga. And doon ko nakita na, shucks, ang solid ng tong pamilya na to. And it's so cool lang because we're all part of the same industry. Lahat kami mga artista, lahat kami pumunta dito sa bahay para supportahan din ang isa't isa. At nung nakumpleto kasi namin yung task na yun, it was a matter of minutes lang. That was so unexpected kasi almost impossible siya at first. Ang tuwa namin kasi yung talon ng lahat, it was still in my memory na parang movie na ang saya, talon kami ng talon, we did a task that was so hard. And at the time kasi, sa bahay ni Kuya, medyo down kami nun. Talo lagi kami sa weekly tasks. Eh, gutom na kami eh. So gusto na namin manalo. Kaya nung nanalo kami, siguro din kaya kami, we were jumping for joy. And that's something I will remember because it was a memory, not just me as a task leader, not me and River. It was a successful task as a whole family.
That's so good. Thank you so much, Michael. I'm sure marami pa kayo lahat mga gustong matandaan, makalimutan sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. But don't worry, we'll have time for everyone to speak and share your experiences. But let's move to the next question from the floor. Let's have Miss Dolly Ann Carvajal. And I believe Miss Dolly's questions are for Charlie and AZ, if I'm correct. Okay, let's have...
Tell us about tell us about the sepangs moment you had leaving the house. Separation outside, if any.
Sepangs. Okay, who wants to start? Charlie, AZ, this is for you guys.
Oh my God. Hello, Miss Dolly. I had a big sepangs moment actually when I first got evicted. Yan po talaga yung malaking sepangs ko. Because the moment I opened my phone, I realized everyone was still inside. And I was outside. Me, Ate Ash, and AC, Kio, we were outside. And we couldn't see them anymore. There wasn't that feeling na parang, hindi na sila one call away. Hindi sila one good morning away, you know. Kaya the first time I got evicted, yun po talaga yung biggest sepangs moment ko. And I couldn't stop crying. There was a time that I would scroll on TikTok and I'd see an edit of like me, Brendan, and Sneer, and then may overlapping pa ng mga boses nila. Hala! I would cry so hard. I'd be like, I miss Brent, I miss Sneer, I miss the house space. It was so bad, honestly. But the second time around, when we're here naman as part of Big Four, thank God that nasama din ako. It's a miracle talaga. Now that we came out as Big Four all together, wala naman po siyang malaking sepangs, not as bad as the time we got evicted, because I know that everyone is outside. I know that there's a chance that I'm going to see them more often, and I know that there's a chance that I can just call them. And we're all here together, like here today, we're all with the Kapusos, kaya I'm really happy now.
That's true, no? Medyo unique pala yung situation din kasi ni Charlie. But we want to hear from you, AZ, ang tagal mo doon sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Hi, Miss Dolly. Thank you for that question. Ako, sobrang nagsisepangs talaga ako. Even right now, like, kasi, yeah. Pero like, kasi diba in the house, I've mentioned about like the friendships that I've had before. And I'm happy na sa house na yun, I've built a family with them. Like, nahanap ko yung core ko here sa Manila. Yung core ko na I know will last a lifetime talaga. And sobrang happy talaga ako with the people that I've met. Yung mga tao na to, yung mga kasama namin, bihira nilang ito makahanap. Kaya gusto ko sila like, hawakan talaga na hindi ko sila kayang ilat ko. Ayun, kasi sobrang masaya talaga ako sa nabuo namin. And even though busy kami ngayon, sobrang happy ako na we still make time for dinner. Like yesterday, naggaling kami sa work, then nag-dinner kami after. So yun yung mga little things na napapasaya talaga sa akin. Just spending time with them, catching up with them. Sobrang happy talaga ako with all those moments.
Thank you so much, AZ. Thank you so much too, Miss Dolly, for your question. Very interesting nga, no? Sepangs dahil ang tagal nila sa bahay. But let's continue this. Let's have naman Miss Tin Bailon of PEP. Miss Tin, okay, I believe Miss Tin's questions are for Ashley and Dustin naman. There we have Miss Tin nasa harap.
Hello, Dustin. So, kung bibigyan kayo ng project ni Bianca, pero kasama si Will, papayag ka ba?
Yes naman yan. Siyempre, oo. Straight to the point. Oo naman. Kasi, kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, lahat ng opportunities i-grab natin. As long as approved by the management, Sparkle. As long as approved ni Ms. Tracy. And of course, kami kasi ni Melody, nag-work na kami together. So, sa Mano po, last 2 years ago, I think. And interesting din na mag-work kami ulit. And now, yung question is with Bianca naman. Alam ko marami nag-aabang yan. Yeah, so, tinitake natin yung opportunity na yan. At let's see kung ano yung mangyayari. But for now, sabihin ko yes.
Will, reaction to that?
Reaction lang kasi, di ba? Tama naman.
Because I worked with Dustin and Bianca. Pero sa lang friends ko. And masasabi ko talaga na very, very professional sila. So I'm looking forward talaga na makatrabaho sila. Ulit, ngayon na nakalabas kami dito sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. And excited ako makita yung pag-grow nila, not just as a person, of course, kundi sa craft nila. And gusto ko rin, of course, ma-share namin together yung ganung, ano ba tawag? Kasi yung craft na yun, gusto namin may share lahat ng yun.
Thank you. For Mika naman, Mika, hello Mika.
Yes,
For you ba, mabigat ba na responsibility yung title as a big winner?
Opo, actually mabigat po talaga siya, lalo na sa akin na alam naman po nating lahat, kami po ni Brent yung time na kaya po namin ibigay sa Shukla yung title ng big winner. And nung nalaman po namin na kami big winner, actually even now, hindi po siya talaga nag-sink in ng buo sa amin. Kasi kaya po, then tulad ng lagi ko sinasabi, araw-araw po, lagi po ako nag-iisip paano ako magiging deserving na maging big winner. That's why, hanggat kaya ko po, tumutulong po ako, nag-reach po ako sa mga taong may kailangan. Kasi po, gusto ko po mapatunayan, hindi lang po sa ibang tao, even sa sarili ko, na deserve ko po yung title na big winner. Kaya napakalaking responsibility po niya para sa akin.
Last na for Will. Will sa Bar Boys, parang kasama mo si Clam. So, can you share kung ano yung role and paano kayo ulit ni Clam? Connect ulit?
Di ko po sure kung pwede ko ma-share yung role ni Ate Clam pa dun. Pero yung role ko po dun sa law student. So, talagang dream niya na maabot yung pangarap niya yun. Para sa, same kami actually, para sa kanyang mom na nagtatrabaho abroad. And willing to do everything talaga para may bigay yung magandang buhay sa magulang.
Ano feeling na first time tong acting project ni Ate Clam?
Nakakatuwa. Sobrang nakakatuwa po. Nung nagkaroon kami ng shoot together ni Ate Clam, talagang hindi ko na-feel the first time ni Ate Clam. Kasi talagang give na give din talaga si Ate Clam. Ang galing, as in, sobra. Mas kasi Direct Kid talagang sinasabi niya sa akin na ang galing parang hindi niya first timer. Talagang actor si Ate Clam. Diba? Ibang version talaga ni Ate Clam yung mapapanood niya.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Miss Tin. And nag-curtain a little bit of a teaser. But now let's have Sir Nicky Wang of Manila Standard. I believe your questions are for Shuvi?
Shuvi and Will.
Yes, okay. Shuvi and Will.
Kay ano nga tayo kay Shuvi? Hi Shuvi.
Hello, sir.
Good morning. Well, kanina nabanggit mo naman na you felt like a big winner paglabas mo. In fact, among the housemates, nang lumabas ang PBB, ito ay nagkaroon ng 1 million followers additional sa sa ground. So congratulations for that. Pero marami po ito ba sa inyo because of your talent and authenticity. So how do you feel na parang a lot of people root for you outside the house?
It's really overwhelming po. Sa totoo lang, before po ako pumasok sa PBB, bilang ko po sila, si Nova lang po yun. Isa siya. Sabi niya mag-fan-in daw kami. Sabi ko, paano mag-fan-in? Isa ka lang. Paano natin gagawin to, Nova? Kasi mag-dinner na lang tayo, one-on-one, diba? Iba yung fan-in. Inisip ko talaga. Tapos, syempre, kahit sila Miss Ann at Miss Joy, pag sinasabihan nila ako na they believe so much in me, sometimes I really wonder why. And hindi ko alam kung bakit. And nung pumasok pa ako sa loob ng bahay, sa totoo lang po, sobrang nahirapan ako magpakatotoo. Kasi natakot ako ma-judge, natakot din ako na baka hindi nila mahal yung pagiging ganito ko until si Bianca pinush niya na ako na maging totoo ka lang sa sarili mo. Siya yung nag-push talaga sa akin, ipalabas mo yan, huwag kang matakot. And the moment I stayed true to myself is the moment I was loved by people. And until now, I feel like it's still overwhelming po ang lahat. And I'm aware po na marami pong dumating na followers. Pero more than that, I feel like I now have a greater responsibility to raise more awareness, to be more, yung maayos na tao. Kasi nakakatakot talaga. Parang lahat talaga ng moves ko, nakikita na talaga ng mga tao.
Maayos ka namang tao, Shuri.
Alam mo yung bawat. Siyempre, mas magiging aware na ako ngayon, mas magiging sensitive. Dahil yung bibig ko, diba? So right now, I feel like I'm more tamed. Sobrang po talaga akong masaya, and habang buhay ko po kayong daladala sa puso ko, lahat po ng sumusuporta, lumalaki lang po ang pamilya natin. I hope mahalin niyo rin po ang mga co-housemates ko, lahat po kami, dahil mahal po namin kayo, ginawa po namin yung PBB para sa inyo. Para sa amin. Oo naman. Ayun, maraming salamat.
That's so sweet. Pero syempre nabagay mo na kayo ng TDH. Di ba sobrang trending ng TDH? Siguro, we wanted to know, meron ba kayong i-expect na project kasama ang iyong TDH?
Wow! Asan doon?
Sino ba TDH pala?
Marami naman TDH talaga sa mundong ito. Ano ba ito? So, kung meron bang pong dadating na trabaho, why not? Let's maximize all of it dahil nandito naman po tayo. So, let's milk it kung ano man po ang pwede. Yes. As long as we're staying true to ourselves at walang inaabakan tao, kung sino ka bang TDH ka, tara magtrabaho ka.
May TDH na. Hindi na fan meet. Fans meet na. Kasi marami. Sir Mickey,
Thank you. Kay Will naman. Ay, opo. Hi, Will. Good morning.
Good morning po.
Natanong si Clang, and she mentioned na you're one of her favorite anak. Ikaw at siya si Ismir. Siguro you wanted to ask for your reaction sa statement niya na yun.
Totoo naman po yun. Pero syempre, ang dami po namin anak ang dami po namin...
Wait lang ha? Nasa media con tayo yan.
Hindi para maging asawa ni Ate Clang ngayon. Marami kaming mga anak ni Ate Clang. And, mali pa rin po yun. Maraming anak si Ate Clang ngayon, tama. At naniniwala naman po ako doon na may kanya-kanya kaming place sa puso ni Ate Clang. And ang importante naman po talaga doon ay pagmamahalan namin sa isa't isa. Pero kung ako po yung tatanungin, ako talaga yung favorite. Pero of course, nakakatuwa lang po na madala namin yung relationship na nabuild namin sa loob ng bahay dito. And now na nagka-work kami, grabe, sobrang good feeling kasi pinag-uusapan lang namin sa loob ng bahay na what if magka-work tayo, acting gano'n. Dati ayaw-ayaw pa ni Ate Clang. Ngayon naging reality na siya. Kaya sobrang nakakataba talaga ng puso na mangyari yung mga what ifs namin sa loob ng bahay.
Thank you. And in terms of relationships na nabanggit mo, ano lang valuable lesson na natutunan mo in terms of relationship and friendship inside the house?
Relationship, siguro is really compromise po yun talaga. Commit ka lang talaga. Matuto ka mag-trust kasi hindi mo alam na yung mga tao pala na nasa harap mo, yung iba dyan, talagang tatanggapin ka ng grupo. Kasi for years, sobrang takot po ako yung makita ko sa sarili ko. Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina. Pero dito sa PBB, yung mga kasama kong housemates, naipakita talaga nila sa akin na kung sino man ako, tanggap nila ako. At kung ano man yung pinapakita ko, masaya sila nun. As long as ako yun, as long as nagpapakatotoo ko sa sarili.
Thank you and congratulations on the housemates. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Nicky. Okay, tuloy pa natin. Let's have questions from Sir Pao Canyamo. And this is for Dustin and Ashley, I believe.
Yes.
Hello, Dustin.
Great.
Hello, Pao pala. Yes.
Hi everyone, congratulations. Grabe, pinanood ko from the very start until the end. Napapayak na ako sa mga elimination mo eh. So, I have a question for Ashley. Siyempre, the TV ng araw, siyempre, meron naman talaga eviction night. May matatanggal. So, you were first evictee at that time. So, do you think, if given a chance na mag-stay longer pa, mas napakilala mo ba ang sarili mo sa taong bahay? Or napakilala mo na at the time for 2 to 3 weeks staying in the baby house?
Yes, of course naman. I feel like anyone would want to stay longer inside the house and give it a chance. And yeah, I think also if I could have stayed longer, siguro mas nakilala rin nila ako. But I also have no regrets sa 3 weeks na yun. Kasi sa 3 weeks na rin naman na yun, so unexpectedly na may mga taong mahal na rin. At marami na pala akong na-inspire. Sabi ko, akala ko sa 3 weeks na yun, wala akong napakita sa outside world. Pero surprisingly, when I went outside, parang a lot of people cried with me. Pag may mga ibang tao, pag nakikita ko sila, they would cry. Parang, kasi parang they understand what I was going through. And some people were nakaka-relate sila sa akin. And yun talaga yung pinaka hindi ko in-expect. But again, I was so grateful for that. Because bilang artista rin naman, even before pa ako nag-PBB, bilang isang actress, ang laging purpose ko sa mga tao is to inspire and to motivate a lot of people. So, siguro hanggang doon lang talaga yung PBB journey ko. Better things is waiting for me in the outside world, but no regrets. Kahit naman matagal ako doon, or if I stayed shorter, I feel like nothing would change rin. I mean, like, mahal pa rin ako ng tao, minahal pa rin ako ng tao, and I will always be grateful na naging parte ako ng history ng PBB.
Na-feel mo ba na nag-trending ka kasi na when you were evicted, like parang almost a week, parang naglulungsa yung mga tao?
Oo nga po eh, pati yung meme, actually, doon nagsimula yung meme ng OA at saka yung nonchalant. Sa amin ni AC. Yun na yung hindi ko in-expect. Never ako naging meme. Naging meme ng parang ganun katagal. Pero hindi ko in-expect na lahat ng tao ginagaya yung meme namin. And again, like, mayroon kasi ako mga issues na tinaklo inside Kuya's house. There were times that I got so emotional at mga breakdown moments ko. And I feel ko sa pagiging vulnerable ko inside the confession room, doon ko rin siguro na-touch yung mga lives ng tao in the outside world. Because a lot of people understand what I was going through. And a lot of people were going through the same thing I was feeling. So parang, isa yun sa parang hindi ko in-expect na I was able to connect with a lot of people in the outside world. Kasi, again, lahat kami, pag nasa loob kami ng bahay ni Kuya, may sarili kaming mundo doon. Hindi talaga namin naririnig yung noises in the outside world. So, sobrang na-overwhelmed talaga ako paglabas ko na parang shocks. Ang dami nilang alam tungkol sa akin. Tapos nakita na nila yung mga breakdown moments ko na ginagaya nila. Tinatanong nila kung okay pa ba ako, kung tumingin na ba ako ng psychiatrist or whatsoever. But again, I think that was still part of the journey inside PBB, and it shaped me as the person I am right now. So, whatever happened inside, no regrets, kahit 3 weeks lang po. So, sa 3 weeks na yun as a housemate, sobrang dami rin naging blessings sa outside world after.
More blessings pa rin, for sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for sharing your story with us. So, my next question is for Dustin. Hi, Dustin. So, syempre naman, you were fighting for the last spot para makapasok sa final Big Four. Siyempre, anong na-feel mo doon at that time? Kasi yung tinawag ni Miro, parang napakakalmado mo at that time. In-expect mo na ba na lalabas ka or nag-ready ka lang at that moment?
At that time, I wasn't really expecting anything. And to answer your question, if hindi ako nagkakamali, time ko na ata consecutive manominate or mapunta sa election na. So every time na napupunta ako doon, siguro ready na rin talaga ako. Anytime. Sabi namin palagi, everything happens for a reason. So, at that time, parang sabi ko, oras na. Masakit kasi last, hindi kami ng PBB Collab. Sobrang sakit, parang heartbreak siya, honestly. Blanco lang yung mukha ko nun kasi kailangan ko maging andon for Bianca. Kasi alam kong mas magiging mahirap to for her. Yun for her. So ako, naging positive na lang din talaga ako. At of course, yung nakapasok naman is yung duo na close din namin kasi si Mika and Brent. So, happy rin naman. Happy na may kasamang sakit na mixed emotion.
Pero yung second challenge niya, kasi yung mga netizen, in-upload ka talaga. Like yung napagod na si Bianca and then you have her. So, uploaded ka lahat ng netizen doon, nababasok sa mga comments. Na ayun nga, nilook forward mo na laban lang, ganyan. Pero, ano na? So, we're looking forward lang sa inyo rin, of course, sa show mo and also with her.
Sige, acknowledge ko muna yung sinabi mo sa second big task namin. Sobrang hirap kasi talaga ng task. Honestly, hindi rin namin ma-imagine until na kung paano namin yun nalagpasan. Yung second task, parang 7 hours kami naka-hold sa sa mga cubes, mga blocks. So ako sabi ko kay Bianca, lagi ko sinasabi sa kanya na kahit ano nangyari, sobrang proud ako sa kanya. Kasi si Bianca talaga, siya yung isa sa pinakamalakas sa bahay ni Kuya. And for some reason, hindi niya nakikita yun. So, andun ako for her to remind her na parang okay lang yan, nalaban tayo ulit, babawi tayo, may isa pa, may chance pa. Of course, gano'n naman yung duo eh. Lahat naman gano'n kami sa mga duos namin. So, yun lang.
Thank you so much, Dad. May sabihin ka ba?
Wala.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Dad.
Thank you, Pao. Alright, so now let's have Miss Hannah Malorca of Inquirer.net. I believe this is for Big Four. Okay, Big Four. So let's have the mic sa Big Four natin. And then let's have a mic for Miss Hannah as well. Take it away, Miss Hannah.
So, hello po sa Big Four. First of all, congratulations po sa inyo. And good morning po. So, isa sa reasons bakit kayo minahal ng taong bayan is lahat kayo may sarili-sariling kwento. You all come from different backgrounds and maraming nakarelate kung saan kayo nanggalo. So, how does it feel knowing na naka-inspire kayo ng tao and you make people feel seen with your respective stories?
Hi, Miss Hannah. Ako, sobrang nasashock ako na may na-inspire ako sa outside world. Like, there was a time na pumunta ako sa isang place around this area lang. Tapos may lumapit sa akin, sabi niya, sobrang na-inspire lang siya because yung faith ko, na tulungan din yung faith niya because of how prayerful I was inside the house. Sobrang na-touch ako nun kasi hindi ko naisip talaga yung pagiging prayerful ko ma-ere or like, I thought that was just the like parang nandun lang or like mapapakita sa labas. Pero she mentioned about how I was so prayerful and grabe na-touch talaga ako sa sinabi niya na thank you, like grabe because of me daw, na-inspire daw talaga siya. And up until now, nasashock ako na may na-inspire ako na tao na may mga nagpapasalamat sa akin because of what I showed sa loob ng bahay. Kaya sobrang grateful din ako and it helps me din to be better and to do better and parang reminder din na yung lahat ng ginagawa ko at saka kami talaga ni River, yung purpose talaga namin is to do this for them. to fight for others.
Thank you, AZ.
Ay, ako naman po, sa pagpasok ko po sa loob ng bahay. Actually, plano ko din po talaga yun na maging living testimony na kung gaano kabuti ang Panginoon sa buhay natin. Especially po sa akin, after po na lahat ng pinagdaanan ko, na hindi porket salamuot yung past mo as hindi na magbabago yun. And nakita naman din po yun sa journey namin, lahat mga housemates sa loob ng bahay, yung growth ng bawat isa. Bawat isa po sa amin, meron talagang nakitang growth po. Kaya yun din po yung pinapasalamat ko sa mga tao na nakita po nila sa amin.
Thank you, Mika. Will?
Hello, Mike Tess. Ako naman po, syempre before coming inside the house, nakakatuwa po na nakapag-inspire kami ng maraming tao through our craft, of course. Yung mga roles at character na pinoportray namin. Talaga nakakataba po ng puso na makita ng mga good comments about it. And nung pumasok naman po kami sa bahay, na malaman po namin na nakapag-inspire naman po kami bilang kami sa sarili namin, mas lalo po kami natuwa talaga, ako personally. Kasi nakakatuwa po na natanggap po nila yung bawat personalidad ng isa't isa. Yung attitude ng isa't isa, kung paano yung samahan. Nakakatuwa po na marinig sa kanila na na-inspire mo ako sa ganito, nag-start na ako ng ganito. Sobrang nakakataba po ng puso talaga na makapag-inspire. Kasi bago po ako pumasok ng showbiz, yun talaga yung gusto ko. Kasi isa lang din po akong manonood na na-inspire sa isang actor na si Kuya Alden niya, na balang araw, sabi ko, inspire ko ng mga tao. At bibigyan ko rin sila ng lakas ng loob para gawin yung mga bagay na gusto nila. Now na nabigyan kami ng ganitong kalaking platform, syempre, I promise namin lahat na gagawin namin yung best namin para makapagbigay ng magandang alaala para sa kanila o maging role model for them.
Thank you. Charlie?
Honestly, at this point, I just like to thank PBB for the platform because the duo of me and Esnir Charas po, it's really about sharing our stories. Sharing about how kahit probinsyana ka, kahit Bisaya girl ka, kahit breadwinner ka, kaya mo abutin yung pangarap mo at kaya mo din lumaban po dito sa Manila. At may pakita din po namin yan ni Esnir bilang third place din po sa Big Four. And we're really giving our thanks po sa PBB for that platform. Of course, PBB, GMA, and ABS po. Other than that, before coming into PBB, it was really my mission in life to share the gospel. As a Christian po, I'm here to really be an instrument of God. He brought me here in Manila. He brought me to where I am today. And to give back to Him and to be used by Him is just wonderful. To be in PBB, sharing the gospel inside, knowing that it goes outside to the whole world. Knowing that it's not only in the Philippines, but it can also go in any part of the world, in any country po. It's just a wonderful experience knowing that you can reach so many different places and so many different hearts and so many different minds of the people. It's amazing how you can connect to someone's spirit po, and how God can really use you and move mountains po just from inside the house. Alam po namin lahat na inside the house you can't reach the outside. But every single story of ours that has so much value, every single testimony of ours and faith of ours has been shared to everyone outside. And that is just the biggest and the most amazing thing about PBB. Kaya I'm so happy that I've gotten to be an inspiration to a lot of people. I've got to reach people through the PBB and to share really about God.
Thank you. Wow, thank you so much, Ms. Hannah. And thank you so much to all our housemates, to all our Big Four, and of course, our big winner. Thank you so much sa press. Such beautiful, insightful questions. Tama nga, di ba kanina gusto natin palalimin yung pagkakakilala natin sa housemates. But now, housemates, I will give you the floor. If you would like to say anything else, may gusto ba kayong i-promote, yayain yung media friends natin and of course your fans na suportahan kayo in your journey sa labas naman ng bahay ni Kuya. Simulan muna natin with Ashley.
Ayan guys, thank you again for being here. Actually, I'm so excited sa media ko na nangyari kasi finally now we're complete and nakalabas na kami sa bahay ni Kuya. all Kapuso housemates are here, and now we get to share our stories and experiences inside the house. So thank you for here, and thank you sa mga nagtanong sa amin. Abangan niyo po, ayan, pwede na yung mga project sabihin, no? Ayan po, abangan niyo po ako sa Shake, Rattle, and Roll, MMFF movie, this coming December po yan. May teleserye na rin po ako. Pwede na po, no? Ang Sisters Game, kasama ko po dito si Ms. Carla Abellana. Malapit na rin po yan actually. Mag-storycon na rin kami soon. And ayan, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat ulit sa Sparkle, sa PBB for changing our life. And to everyone who supported me, who supported us housemates, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Mas gagalingan ko pa po talaga bilang isang artista so that I can still continue to inspire and motivate a lot of people. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Ashley. Michael?
Isa po ulit, maraming salamat po for joining us and being here today to our friends of the press and the media. Without your guys' presence and your work, it wouldn't be a big help for all of us. So maraming salamat po for the good questions. And ako naman po, again, I just want to thank my management, Cornerstone Entertainment, Sparkle, and of course, GMA for giving us this opportunity, and to ABS for Pinoy Big Brother. Direct Lauren has been taking good care of us, even though as a Sparkle artist, na ramdaman namin yung acceptance nila. So maraming salamat po for that. I'm very excited because I've been out of the acting picture for a while after PBB. So I'm just very excited to step on set na umarte ulit kasi after my experience in Pinoy Big Brother, parang na-refuel na ako, and gusto ko na lang po sabihin, let's keep it a mystery muna, baka na lang natin kung anong serye ang paglalabasan ko. But of course, I want to say that I will be a part of a film, and I'm very excited because it's gonna be my first ever if matuloy yun. So I'm excited for that, and more projects with my fellow housemates. It's something I'm looking forward to, and of course the power of collaboration. You guys should look forward to that kasi marami pang aabangan. Bukod pa sa concert natin, guys! Ang PBB Co-Love. That's why I'm very excited for that. That's something I'm proud of kasi kasama ko family ko din ang Pinoy Big Brother housemates. Kaya ayun po, maraming salamat, and thank you.
Dapat abangan talaga yung concert. Josh naman.
And of course, thank you rin po for being here, Miss Annette, Miss Joy. Thank you, Sir Dat, the media, the press. Mahal po na. Mahal sa akin, nag-lag siya. And mahal po namin kayo lahat. And yeah, we really do appreciate you. It means a lot na nandito po kayo ngayon para sa amin lahat. Of course, sa akin, abangan niyo po every Saturday, Maka, next chapter. Kasama ko po din sila Zephanie and Shan. Every Saturday po yan, 4:45 p.m. And may mga upcoming shows na rin po, but hindi ko na sure pwede kong bagitin. There's an upcoming movie, hopefully, if ever matuloy. And yeah, all the blessings na dumadating. Kaya syempre gusto na mag-thank you sa lahat ng mga sumuporta sa akin habang nasa loob ako ng bahay ni Kuya, my family, my siblings, my cousins, my friends, Beauty Derms, and Mommy Ray. Congrats po for being the new Rotary president, actually. And yeah, to everyone that was there for me since day one. Maraming salamat. Yes.
Thank you, Josh. Vince?
Of course, gusto rin talaga pasalamat sa press, sa media, kay Miss Annette, kay Miss Joy, sa Sparkle, kay Sir Da, sa Mercator. Sobrang thankful ako dahil sa support ninyo, sa tiwala ninyo. At syempre, meron din po akong bagong show ngayon, tinitake ko na with Cassie Legaspi, ating kapatid. Abangan niyo po yan. Sana sa mga susunod pang mga opportunities, yes. Isa din po yan. Kaya salamat po sa inyong lahat. Nandito nag-enjoy po.
Thank you, Vince. And tonight, sige, go! Take it away, Shubi.
Yes! Thank you so much, our friends from the media, for gracing us with your presence. Maraming salamat, na-miss po namin lahat kayo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta po sa amin, lalo na sa aming mga housemates, sa PBB's Celebrity Club. Wait, natatawa ko kasi gusto ko talaga pasalamatan lahat po ng nagmamahal sa akin. Maraming salamat po. Malapit na pong mapatayo ang aking dream house. I truly feel like a winner, and that's because of you guys. Sa lahat po ng taong nagmamahal at tinanggap po kung sino ako. Maraming salamat. At sa lahat po ng brands na sumusuporta po sa akin, dahil po sa inyo talaga, maraming salamat talaga. As in, hindi ko kayo maisa-isa lahat, pero mahal na mahal ko po lahat. patuloy po tayong lumalaki at huwag po kayong mag-alala. Patuloy po akong lalaban dito sa outside world para po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. And gusto ko lang din po i-promote ang Encantadio Chronicle Sangre. Araw-araw po yan, 8:50, 8:30 something, 8 p.m. Yes! At abangan niyo po at dahil because of grabe guys, nagkaroon tayo ng teleserye with Kuya Ding Dong. So, abangan niyo po Master Cutter. The Master Cutter. Master Cutter. Alam na lang, Bisaya na lang. Basta po naman mga guys. Basta ang importante kasama sa Kuya Ding Dong. Yes! And abangan niyo din ang huwag kayong tumingin. Bawal tumingin. Basta huwag kayong titingin. Basta to follow. Abangan nyo na lang po, marami po kayong maaabangan po sa aming PBB Houses. And sa akin po, marami po kayong aasahan na magiging ano talaga tayo, ang tawag yan, active sa social media. Laban po ako. Pagka Shubi, I love you so much. Sarap po sumusuporta sa akin. Shubi natin, Shubi Nation, I love you so much. I love you so much. And all my heart and soul and body, I love you. Thank you.
Thank you, Shubi. Okay, Dustin, dahil ikaw susunod, kailangan i-match mo ang energy ni Shubi. Joke lang.
Ako na talaga. Sa mga pinamahal nating press, maraming salamat sa inyo. Na-miss ko kayo sobra. It's been months. And I'm happy to see everyone here. Abangan nyo sa akin, Eraya. So, abangan nyo ako sa movies at sa serye. Ayun na, katulad na sinabi ni Ashley. Kasama din po ako sa Secret and Role na nakapasok po sa MMFF. So, maraming salamat sa Jimmy Network, Sparkle Family, sa Regal Entertainment, sa Virtual Playground, and maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At hopefully, pag-pray niyo po ako. Pag-pray niyo po yung career ko, of course. Kasi maraming dumarating at sana kayanin ko. Kaya natin yan. Maraming sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Ikaw talaga ang natawagan ng tulong sa mga tao for prayer. Thank you, Dustin naman. I-match mo naman yung ligaya ng mga tao. But also, thank you so much then to Harold's Hotel. Na-enjoy niyo ba yung time niyo dito sa Harold's Hotel? Yes. So, thank you so much for having us. Okay, meron pa tayo. Siyempre, yung Big Four naman natin. Start natin with AZ.
Yes, again, thank you so much for coming today. Thank you, Miss Annette, Miss Joy, Miss Tracy, and Miss Julie. Thank you for the trust and for fighting for me. Thank you po talaga. And grabe, maraming salamat for all yung support niyo talaga. I've been with Sparkle since day one, so maraming salamat. And of course, abangan niyo po kami katulad ng sinabi ni Michael for this August 10 sa PBB Collab Concert. Yes, and then like what Michael also said, marami pang collaborations na mangyayari. Kaya abangan niyo po yan. Sobrang excited na po kami na ipakita at i-announce po yan sa inyong lahat. Kaya maraming salamat po ulit. Sa lahat ng aspires, sa lahat ng mga fandoms, maraming salamat sa suporta, sa food, and sa gifts. Maraming salamat. Diet ako ngayon pero kinakain ko para journal. So maraming salamat po talaga. Thank you.
Thank you so much, AZ. Next naman natin si Charlie.
Hello po. Again, maraming salamat for being here today. Sobrang ganda po ng mga questions actually. Sobrang ganda. It really gave us lightness sa amin po. Thank you for being here. Thank you po to Miss Joy, Miss Annette, Sir Gael, and Sparkle for putting this together today. Yun na nga po, maraming salamat sa brands who have trusted us and all of my loves out there and all of my fans out there who are loving and supporting us. Hanggang dulo po tayo, for Pinky Promise na ito, kontrata na tayo. Hindi, actually, medyo may kaduo yata ako sa Kapuso. Gaya po kay Ate Shubi, kasama po kami sa Master Cutter. With si Sir Dom, kasama po kami sa isang show. And sa Bawal Kang Tumingin. Ay! Ano ba talaga? Sorry guys! Ngayon lang kasi sinabi sa amin, kaya medyo nagulat din kami. Kasi kung na-surprise kayo sa movie namin, na-surprise din lalo kami. Okay. So, wag kang tumingin. Ay, tang-tanaw! Wag kang tumingin. Bahala kayo dyan. Basta makikita niyo yun very soon with me and Ate Shubi. And kasama niyo po kami guys. Maraming salamat po. Thank you po.
Thank you, Charlie. Will, ikaw naman?
Yes, of course. Again, good morning po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras na ibinigay po sa amin para magsalo-salo po tayo. Magkaroon tayo ng makabuluhan at magandang kwentuhan ngayong umagang ito. And of course, gusto ko lang din po magpasalamat sa mga taong nagmahal at sumuporta since day one. Alam ko po na hindi siya naging madali, medyo naging rough talaga yung start natin. But sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga lahat ng mga pagmamahal, yung suporta, yung care na ibinigay niyo sa akin simula ng paglapas ko. Sobrang na-overwhelm ako, but sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga. Mga foods na pinapadala niyo every time I work, grabe, sobrang nakakabusog. At just know na, kagaya na lagi ko sinasabi, ngayon na nandito sa outside world, sabay-sabay tayo ng laban. Sa hamon naman ng buhay, hindi na ni Kuya. Kaya, ayun po, sana po abangan niyo po kami lahat, especially ako sa mga future projects ng Jerry. And of course, ayun nga, gusto ko rin po pasalamatan of course sa aming Spartan family, Miss Joy, Miss Annette, Tita Trey, Kuya Will, maraming salamat sa inyong pagtitiwala. Grabe, sobrang nakakataba ng puso to be here sa GMA for 11 years. Wow, thank you so much for the trust po. And, ano ba? Yeah, kagaya po naman sinasabi nila, hindi na po ito collaboration, napakarami po ng collaboration na magaganap. And Bar Boys po, sana po patawari po ninyo. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Will. And last but not the least, of course, our big winner, Lisa.
Ako po, alam ko po naman tayo lahat hindi ko mapahabarin. Pero sobrang laking pasasalamat ko po sa lahat ng taong nandito po ngayon. Sa press po, and especially po kay Miss Joy, Miss Annette, Boss Vic, Kuya Jess, sa Agila, sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng management po kung saan po tumutulong po sa akin. Salamat po sa tiwala. And grabe ako maging emotional, pero parang ngayon lang po nag-sink in din yung big winner po. Salamat po sa tiwala. Sorry po, kasi talaga po, kakain na po kayo. Pero, ayun po ako, pero yun, salamat po sa tiwala. And, ayun po, magkakaroon po kami ng concert sa Kudustel po. Ginamit ko na. Sinegoy ko na. And, ayun po, magkakaroon na po ako ng album finally. And, maaasa po kayo pagbubutihan kami po. Kaming lahat po. And, yun po. Salamat po sa lahat. Thank you, Lord. Thank you po sa lahat ng nakasama kong housemates. Thank you po sa lahat na sumusuporta sa amin. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Thank you, Brent. Thank you, everyone. Kain na po tayo.
Thank you so much. Okay, sige, bago kumain, wait lang, picturean muna natin yung housemates. I know, sobrang busy din talaga nila, kaya ito na. Sige, picturean na natin sila. So, as our media friends get ready to take the photo, you guys can enjoy this moment, pero pasasalamatan ko na